Hi, this is Ms. Smith, and I'm doing problem 39 on page 222. This problem was requested by a few students, so let's go ahead and bring it up. And the question is 4 over some number is equal to that same number over 9. Alright, well remember, if we have two fractions that are equal to each other, this forms a proportion. So let's look at another proportion before we do this. So let's say we have the fraction 1/2, and that is, of course, equivalent to the fraction 2 over 4. Now, since this forms a proportion, we know that with a proportion, the cross products are equal. Alright, so that means that 1 times 4 is going to equal 2 times 2. Well, let's see if that's true. Well, the left side equals 4, and so does the right side. This forms a proportion. This is a proportional relationship. We know this because not only do they simplify to the same thing, but since it is a proportion, their cross products are also equal. So we're going to use that concept of equivalent cross products in order to address problem A. So if we look at our fraction here, 4 over x equals x over 9, we're going to look at the cross products, 4 times 9 and x times x. So I'll write x times x is equal to 4 times 9. Well, 4 times 9 is 36. So x times x. Well, x and x are both variables. They represent a number. In this case, they represent the same number because we're using the same variable. So you have to ask yourself, what number, when I multiply it times itself, will equal 36? Well, then in that case, the solution is definitely going to be 6. And we know this because 6 times 6 equals 36. And now you have to ask yourself, is there another value that when I multiply it times itself, it equals 36? And the answer is yes. -6, right? -6 times -6 also equals positive 36. So the way you're going to write your answer is this: x is equal to plus or minus 6, which means that the answer is both positive 6 and -6. Alright, we can check this. Is 4 over positive 6 equal to positive 6 over 9? Well, if you simplify both of these, they definitely do both simplify to the same fraction 2/3. And also when you check your cross products, 4 times 9 should equal 6 times 6. Right? 4 times 9 is 36, and so is 6 times 6. So yes, this checked out. You do the same thing with the -6. So x was also equal to -6. So 4 over -6 should be equivalent to -6 over 9. Okay, if you cross multiply here, -6 times -6 should equal 4 times 9. And it's true. Both sides are equivalent. Okay, that means that our solution is indeed x is equal to 6 and -6. Alright, let's look at the next one. Alright, the next three are here. We have letters B, C, and D. And I'll just go ahead and give you the answers here. For this one, the answer is, or for the first one rather, the answer is going to be x is equal to positive 4, and it's also equal to -4. For letter C, x is going to equal positive 10 and -10. And for letter D, x is equal positive 12 and -12. The way you actually read this is x is equal to plus or minus -12, x is equal to plus or minus 10, x is equal to plus or minus 4. Alright, now I just want to make sure that you understand that the answer is not positive 4 for one of the x's, and then the other x you put a -4. No, you have to put the same number in for x each time. So they each can both either be +4 or they can each both be -4. Okay, but they can't be both +4 and -4 at the same time. All right, hopefully that clears it up for you. If you have more questions, please post them here on the discussion board. Thanks for asking, and let's make some more videos in the future.